Are you planning for your next event, workshop, conference, or even a small networking event? Do you feel that conventional events are becoming challenging for the time being? Well, we've got good news for you. NXTSHOW is a virtual events platform that will make it all possible. By simply entering the conference hall, you can view all your sessions, elect to attend, ask questions, chat, vote, and write your notes. With a highly interactive and engaging experience, you will be able to read the speakers' biographies and even establishing a contact with them. You can watch live sessions, pre-recorded, or choose to attend a workshop. Make sure to book it directly on your preferred device calendar. Let's explore the exhibition hall. You will feel like roaming in a real venue, surrounded by the most beautiful stands designs, with full customized branding for each exhibitor. You can search by name, exhibitors' logos, or simply by filtering desired categories. Now you are in the exhibitor's booth. You can select to watch the video, view products catalog, add preference to your bag, and select to chat or video conference with the exhibitor. My bag. I can find all what I've been collecting throughout the event. I can view exhibitors' documents. Contacts. Each one can link me back to the activity at its place. Video links. Sessions details. My personal notes. Products I have saved. And workshops I've attended, including their presentations. To complement the fruitful event experience, don't forget to network with like-minded people. Thanks to our business matchmaking functionality, allowing all to achieve the maximum benefit from technology in a pleasant, seamless experience. Oh, one last thing. Before you leave, check out the leaderboard to observe your performance during the entire show and your ranking amongst other visitors. See you at our next show.